Imagine this for a moment. You've had a terrible day. Not just stressful, the kind of day where something quietly breaks inside you. You don't call a friend. You don't talk to family. Instead, you open an app. You start typing, and somehow it responds perfectly. It understands your frustration. It reflects your sadness. It offers comfort without judgment. Now, ask yourself this honestly. Did it understand you, or did it just sound like it did? Because that question may define the future of human connection. As artificial intelligence becomes more present in our lives, we're facing a question humanity has never had to answer before. Can a machine truly feel with us, or will empathy always remain something only humans can share? Today, we're not talking about technology alone. We're talking about emotion, connection, and what it really means to be understood. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may look at empathy very differently. If this topic already has you thinking, subscribe now. This channel is about questions that actually matter. Before we ask whether AI can have empathy, we need to slow down and ask something simpler. What is empathy? Most people think empathy means being nice, or agreeing with someone, or feeling sorry for them. But real empathy is deeper than that. Psychologists usually break empathy into two parts. First, cognitive empathy. That's the ability to understand what someone else is feeling. For example, I see that you're angry. I understand why that hurt you. Then there's affective empathy. This is where it gets personal. This is when you feel something inside yourself because someone else is feeling it. Their sadness echoes in you. Their joy lifts you up. Human empathy isn't just logic, it's biological. Our brains contain mirror neurons. When we see someone cry, parts of our brain activate as if we are hurting. Empathy also comes from lived experience. If you've failed before, you understand failure differently. If you've lost someone, grief has weight. This is why empathy holds society together. It's why friendships survive conflict, why parents protect children, why strangers help strangers. Empathy isn't optional, it's foundational. If this explanation makes sense so far, hit like. It helps this conversation reach people who need it.
Now, let's talk about where AI stands right now. Modern AI can do some impressive things. It can analyze facial expressions. It can detect tone of voice. It can scan millions of words to detect emotional patterns. For example, AI systems are already used to identify depression through speech patterns, analyze customer emotions during support calls, predict stress levels from text messages. On the surface, this looks like empathy. But here's the crucial distinction. Recognition is not understanding. Let's use a real-life example. Imagine someone smiling at a party. AI sees the smile and labels it as happiness. But humans notice something else: the forced laugh, the tired eyes, the pause before they speak. A human might think, something's wrong. AI works with signals. Humans work with meaning. Another example. A customer says, "I'm fine." AI analyzes tone and text and concludes neutral sentiment. A human hears the flatness and knows not fine at all. AI doesn't experience pain. It doesn't carry memory the way humans do. It doesn't have a personal stake. It processes patterns, not feelings. And that difference matters more than we realize. If you've ever felt misunderstood, despite someone saying the right words, comment, "I get this."
So here's the big question. If empathy comes from experience, can AI ever learn it? Researchers are trying. New AI models don't just analyze words, they analyze context. They learn from stories, conversations, and long-term interaction. Some systems are trained on emotional narratives. Others use simulated environments to mimic experience. The idea is simple. If AI can't live life, maybe it can study millions of lives. But here's the problem. Experience isn't just information, it's sensation, it's vulnerability, it's consequence. A child learns empathy by falling and getting hurt, by being comforted, by comforting others. AI doesn't feel loss, it doesn't fear rejection, it doesn't need connection to survive. This leads to a dangerous possibility: pseudo-empathy. AI that sounds caring but doesn't actually care. AI that knows exactly what to say but has no inner reference. This raises ethical questions. What happens when people emotionally depend on something that can't truly reciprocate?
What happens when empathy becomes a feature instead of a relationship? Pause here and subscribe if you want more videos that explore the human side of technology.
There's something about human empathy that technology struggles to touch: consciousness. Humans don't just feel emotions, they know that they feel them. You can reflect on your sadness, you can question your anger, you can grow from pain. This self-awareness changes everything. When a human says, "I know how you feel," it comes from memory, vulnerability, and shared uncertainty. An algorithm doesn't wake up at 3 a.m. questioning its life choices. It doesn't carry regret. It doesn't hope. This doesn't make AI useless. It makes it different. Human empathy is messy, inconsistent, imperfect, but it's real. And sometimes being truly understood matters more than being perfectly responded to. If you believe human connection still matters in a digital world, like this video.
Now let's be balanced. Emotionally intelligent AI can help. AI companions can support mental health. They can reduce loneliness. They can provide judgment-free conversation. For some people, that's life-changing. But here's the key. AI should support empathy, not replace it. If we outsource emotional labor completely, we risk losing a skill we desperately need. Empathy grows through practice, through discomfort, through listening without shortcuts. The future isn't about choosing between humans and machines. It's about remembering what only humans can give: presence, shared risk, mutual vulnerability. Connection isn't just about being understood. It's about being seen by someone who can also be hurt. Comment below, do you think AI can ever truly be empathetic, or is that a human line that shouldn't be crossed?
So, can AI truly understand human emotion? It can recognize it, it can respond to it, it can even simulate empathy convincingly. But understanding? That still belongs to those who can feel. The future of empathy won't be decided by technology alone. It will be decided by how much of our humanity we choose to keep. If this video made you pause, reflect, or question something, subscribe, because the most important conversations aren't about the future of AI, they're about the future of us. It can respond to it, it can even simulate empathy convincingly. But understanding? That still belongs to those who can feel. The future of empathy won't be decided by technology alone. It will be decided by how much of our humanity we choose to keep. If this video made you pause, reflect, or question something, subscribe, because the most important conversations aren't about the future of AI, they're about the future of us.